In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your Instagram page forever. First thing you need to do is open your Instagram page and go to your profile page. From the setting, you can either find it manually or you can search for it. The thing you need to pay attention to is that you need to type deletion or just type the first 3 or 4 letters, because if you type delete completely, you can see that you're going to have no results because it is mentioned as deletion in the setting. So you tap on that, and here you tap on your account again, and here by default it's on deactivating, not deleting, because Instagram doesn't want you to delete your account permanently, but here we want to delete it permanently, so we put it on that and tap continue. Here it's asking you why you want to delete your Instagram forever. I'm going to choose just need a break. It doesn't really matter that much why you choose it. And then you just tap continue. Deactivate your account instead. No, I want to continue with deletion. Permanently delete account. Now here it says you can export your info before you delete, or you can deactivate your account instead of deleting it forever, but I'm not going to do that, so I'm just going to tap continue. Now it's asking me for my password because they don't want you to delete someone else's page just by accident. So here, after I have typed in my password, I'm going to confirm one last time and delete my account. And just like that, my account does not exist anymore. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button before you leave.